I'm going to move on to my second to the last team. दो टीमें रह गई हैं, so you're almost done, guys. So E.F.G construction, Ayaz is going to speak.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Engineer Ayaan Raza. I was born and raised in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and I moved to Pakistan for my higher studies. I have graduated from Sir Syed University, Karachi in civil engineering. Currently, we are facing two main problems. I have seen a lot of people having no option but to live in slum areas, portions, and small congested flats due to high rise of housing and construction. The construction industry of Pakistan is said to be 380 billion rupees. By utilizing or using new, modern, and sustainable techniques, we can reduce the cost of construction by 25 to 30%. That is 60 billion rupees per annum. Secondly, plastic waste. In 2020, around 4 million tons of plastic waste was generated in Pakistan. We have come up with a sustainable solution to use plastic waste as a building material. The solution is called bubble deck slab. The solution is to use plastic hollow balls during slab casting to reduce the dead weight of structure without compromising the durability of structure. Talking about achievements, my first achievement is the proof of my concept. Secondly, the idea being selected in several national and international competitions. From being selected in FISC, Futuristic Infrastructure Challenge, to being a city provisional and then a national level winner in National Idea Bank, and as well as many other minor competitions as well. The Overseas Pakistani helped me through Aspire Pakistan Pak 100 program by training me to be confident and helping us, or especially me, to realize the potential of my startup. Don't forget to join us at the Aspire Startup Showcasing. Thank you very much and hope to see you at the showcase. Allah Hafiz.
All right, let's invite Ayaan to talk to us.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Okay. First of all, thank you everyone for watching and paying attention to my pitch video. And I'm currently open for questions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Acha, let's open for questions, but I didn't understand, how do you understand the problem, don't understand your solution? Do you want to speak to that?
Yeah, I
And
can
so
speak.
unit economics, like what does it cost, what's the profit margin?
Okay, so let's talk about my idea. First, my idea is called bubble deck slab. It is a method in which...
Don't repeat, we heard all that. How does it do? What does it do?
Okay, in simple words, it reduces your structure's weight. It reduces your cost, your time consuming, and etc. and everything. We have done research and we have found some results regarding that. About 25% reduction in concrete use and about 28% in steel reduction.
All right, let's open it up to other jury members.
Yes, please.
Ayaan, you have mentioned about the natural resources, use of natural resources.
Exactly.
Are they so cheap? Are they available? Then, all other material is also one of the natural resources, I think, used in the construction. So I don't know which particular material you are talking about.
Sir, I'm talking about plastic waste. Plastic waste like the plastic bottles, shampoos, bottles, etc. I'm using this and recycling them and converting them into hollow balls, and I'm replacing them in slabs, in cores and in the core of slabs. And by doing so, I'm reducing.
So do you need special equipment to do all that processing?
No, sir. For casting and everything, I do not require any such machineries and everything. But for making the balls, yes, I do require some machinery for that.
So at the moment, how much investment you are looking for?
Sir, I'm looking for $100,000 for 10% in equity.
Thank you.
Anyway, congratulate Ayaan. He knows how to give short answers. Love that.
Thanks.
Ayaan, just one question. You said you have done the proof of concept. Can you tell us the load factor and other variables? Any such variables which you have considered?
Yes, actually we have done three things in our research. Number one, we compared the cost, as I have spoken before, about 25% to 30% reduction. And the next thing we did was to compare it for a normal slab. The result shown is that about only 98% is compared to a solid slab, only 2% in reduction. And the third thing we did was to compare it with after it's exposed to fire. Like what will happen after it's exposed to fire. These are three things we did. I do have the results. If you are interested in them, I am willing to share my results with you.
The one question from
these only three factors?
Sorry,
Sorry,
if you can repeat the question.
Ayan, did you consider only these three factors, or some other factors also was under consideration?
Yes, so there were other factors that I did consider regarding that, like the type of plastic I should use, the number of plastic, the weight of the ball, the projections of the ball, the how should I place them, and etc. etc. There were many factors. I do have a list of all those factors with me.
अच्छा, एक सवाल अनवर शाह साहब पूछ रहे हैं कि किस स्टेज पे है कंपनी आपकी, कितने लोग हैं, क्या कर चुके हैं, क्या कर?
Okay, so we're a team of five people, including 2 PhDs, and we are currently just looking for some investments to start. I have registered for patent, and I'm currently waiting for my patent results as well as for my PEC numbers. As soon as we get my PEC numbers, I will, inshallah ta'ala, we will start our register our company and start our business. I do have some potential clients. I have spoken with them, and they are very interested in my idea.
And one question is coming from Ahmed, is that environmental impact, is it?
Yes, it is environmental friendly. Yes, it is environmental friendly, as we are reducing the usage of concrete. So concrete, and we have cement, sand, and crush, as well as water. So we are
I
reducing.
think you have to look about the safety as well. It's a plastic and fireproof and all those factors.
Yes, as I have spoken that I have did research on it, and as I have told you that I have compared it to a conventional slab, and I did also share my result with it at 98%.
Ayan, can you please tell me that is it for a small single-story building or for high-rise also? What's the strength of this material?
Sir, I have told you about the strength that is compared to solid slab, it is 98%. As for your first question, the higher the building, the calculation that we have done, the higher your building is, the more profitable it is.
Hello, thank you, Ayan. Good job.